Hello dear friends, welcome to Tech channel. In this video, how to close someone on Instagram. So watch the video till the end, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell. Let's go. For example, open Instagram, click your profile account, click setting on activity, click close friend. Who can see your content? Okay, click close friends. Very easy. For example, you can choose the desired person and put it in close friends. For example, Lionel Messi. Or easy. Done. My close friends. Open. Now these are placed in my close friend. Very easy. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Tech channel.